Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your boy Scarfinger, and we're back. As you can see, there are two canvases, not just one, two canvases. On the thing right now, I have them just on those little cups, and we are going to. I got a lot of response on Facebook and Instagram for the rainbow bubbles painting that I did, and I had a few people that asked me for it, but someone got to it first. So I'm gonna try to do two more, and so just to see if if it goes well. If anybody wants it, just holler at your boy. All of the social media links and everything are in the description here, and the description on Instagram and Facebook and all that kind of stuff. All that stuff is there. So I'm using all of the same colors, except for the difference is all of the colors are Anita's now, with the exception of the silver, the Artist Loft Acrylic silver. That's what I'm using, and I thinned it down a little bit. As I understand it, thinning it down and using a little bit more silicone will make this a little bit better. So I already got that prepared. So we're using Anita's Deep Denim. And this is where I switched. I'm using the Anita's True Red. The same as before, the Anita's Canary Yellow. And another one where I changed, I'm using Anita's Orange. So we're gonna do this the same. I'm gonna flip cup each of these. I'm gonna prepare both of them at the same time, and basically flip them at the same time, and try to get all of that prepared. I had someone ask me what I use to just kind of keep me into it, and like the reason why that there's music in the middle and I'm not really saying anything is two reasons. One, because of my freezer. And you can probably hear it in the background now. Maybe not because of the music, but my freezer is really loud. So I try not to try not to talk through the whole thing. So I just kind of listen to stuff, and most of the time it's marching band music. So today, the marching band music that I'm listening to is Southern versus Alcorn, fifth quarter from 2018. So, just in case anybody wants to know, I listen to a lot of marching band music when I'm actually making the paintings, because I love marching band music. So that's what I'm going to do. So just in a moment, we're going to go ahead and get this thing popping, and we're going to do two alternate versions of the rainbow bubbles. Hold on one second. close-up. And we're going to do a close-up of both. They both came out really, really nice. I like them a lot. But one thing I noticed when I was tilting, man, this orange did not come out. This orange did not come to play with y'all today. So I had to try to tilt a little bit of this orange off. And with this painting here, I turned it so that the red is on the same side with the red. It looked like if these get sold together and they get hung up, it seems like this is a nice way to hang them. Or you can twist it and do the blue side however you want to. When I poured them, I poured the colors into like 4 different sides, so they didn't mix very much. You can still see some. Let's take a close look. As you can see, I did get a little bit of green in here, which is dope. The silver isn't quite what I wanted to, but I probably should have used less of the colors. That is my fault. A little bit of stretching here with the colors, but I like it. A lot of yellow in the middle, like across here. It's a lot of yellow, and with the red on the side, I thought that worked out very well. I like how the blue kind of comes across here, and then you get the orange on the bottom. I was really trying not to get as much orange. Orange is not one of my favorite colors, so I was trying to get the orange kind of out of here a little bit. And then we're going to go to this side, and like I said, this part here with the reds, they kind of look like they connect a little bit. So that might be a way to hang them if I sell both of them at the same time, or to sell them both to the same person. But this one, the orange did not come to play with y'all. So let's start from the bottom. And there's a lot more colors intermingling, but still with the silver throughout it, which I like a lot. I mean, there's a big silver blob right there that I don't love, but it still works with the rest of this. And like I said, that's a lot of orange, a whole lot of orange. And with some blue and the yellows and a little bit of green throughout here, but still that orange is not playing with y'all today. So yeah, man. So these, I'm gonna post the pictures up, and if anybody wants to try to get at these, send me a message anywhere that is on the social media links, and I'll see about getting these to a good home. So it's your boy. Go to the Facebook page, facebook.com/PTCAC, and yeah, I'm out of here. Thank y'all for checking your boy out. Peace.